I'll be your new best friend. Did love. Did love. My figure surrounded. Just so clouded. Just so clouded. Just so clouded. Just so clouded. Just so clouded.
Just don't wear any foundation. If you do makeup, just don't wear any foundation.
Ew, what is it? A bug from a bug?
Make my skin look better.
Oh, anyways, so basically, this is day 3.
Another day, another sleigh. Period.
Go to
Animal Kingdom today.
It's not oily skin because I don't have oily skin either.
Hopefully the audio's
When I
not
went
too bad. I lost my cover for my vlogging
We
camera,
just walk outside on the track
but
for like so
it's
long
okay.
in the blazing heat.
So it is already a hot day.
That's the part where
We're going to Animal Kingdom, and I think we might do Hollywood Studios after. I'm wearing different shoes. My pink Air Forces. We're here.
It's sunny today.
It is very sunny. I didn't put on any sunscreen. Want to show off your outfit? Okay, she doesn't. I do though. And my pink Air Forces are so cute. Anyways, we arrived. We're here. We're awake.
Pandora ride is 75 minutes.
And now finger on the glass.
Oh, hey.
Alright,
Thank you.
oh yeah,
Look at that tree. Okay, so we're gonna try and get my mom ears today, finally. Ooh. Oh, let's see. Oh, those are so cute.
Give her this one.
I think this one fits her the most, personally.
The other way.
Oh,
But like
look
the
so
both messed
cute.
up on this one.
You look so cute. You look so adorable. Aww, I love these ones. These are my faves. These are my fave on her. They had these donut ones that I really wanted. And they apparently were limited edition. Like, what the hell? Bring them back and I'll buy. I like these ones on you. I like the sparkly ones on her.
And also draw a
Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute.
She's so adorable. There's something right.
Just walked out to that. That scared me a little bit.
That was amazing.
Yeah, that was really cool. I was flying away. That's so
Make sure you have a wild time here at Disney's Animal Kingdom today.
Show off your ears too. She got new ears as well. Want to show your ears right now? Okay, we're heading to Pandora's ride. Wait, what is it called?
It's called Flight of Passage.
Flight of Passage. The place of the area of the park is called Pandora. It is really hot.
They have
today.
another one there, the Navi River Journey, but I wouldn't wait more than 30 minutes for that ride.
And Cali River Rapids is closed.
And that's not in the
Unfortunately.
Pandora world.
Like, it's look at that. Woo! Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh, it's in here. Wow. It is hot. really cool. Again, heads up for the audio, it might be really bad. But it's like it's super pretty, I love it. And it feels nice and breezy because they have a bunch of fans. Hey, you look like a Disney princess. You look like a Disney princess. Look at my nails. Look at my nails, like glowing in the sun. Look at that shirt. Why'd you say like that?
What the dog doing?
Dad gets played with
What are
some
those?
bears.
Oh my god.
Mama.
They like okay, it's normally like broken every time when people come, but it's actually up and working today. Why do I got these random chipmunks in my cage? What is this?
And then you're my other party of 4? Okay, I'll get you guys on board. Alright, my party of 4. You guys are going to be 12 through 15 in B2, alright? 12 through 15 in B2.
We need you to enter the room and stand on your assigned number. Okay, sealed genetic matching room.
Riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world.
Attention drivers, stow your gear on the back wall and then get onto the link chair the way we showed you in the video.
I tried to get some footage on my phone, but I don't think it got anything. The water kept splashing in my face and I was like, ah! Okay. That was really good. It was really fun. It was. I didn't like it the first time as much, but this time is better. Yeah. Because all my stuff was working this time. Last time my water didn't work. My breathing wasn't working. This time my stuff was working, so really it made a difference. Also, I think I was wearing my glasses last time, and the goggles on top of the glasses made it really irritating. So it just kept sliding all off my face, and I couldn't see properly. So it was really annoying. And then I was like, I want to have to hold on, but this time I'm wearing contacts, so it was easier. You get wet on that one. It's not like wet. Just a little splash in the face. Splash and in your face too. I don't remember it having that much water in it. Yeah. Anyways, that was a good ride. Yes. Okay, time for Cali River Rapids. About a 35-minute wait. Yeah. There's some kids screaming. I tried to get some footage. I don't think it did. I think I put it in the wrong little compartment on the thing, and I put it on the top thinking it was gonna get a better view. But I think the bottom would have gotten more of the ride than the top one. So that was completely my fault. I don't think it got anything though. Anyways, we're headed on to, like I said, the Cali River Rapids, and I think I can definitely record on that one. So I definitely. I wonder what's happening in there. Some yelling coming from right there. Hello. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna keep them right here. Are you ready? Or if you want, you can tuck them in right here. My feet?
rides are fun.
Move your head. I can't see anything. I don't want to be warmed up. Look at the Mount Everest in the background. Okay, you're good. Oh. Oh shoot.
Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim.
Look at my feet. Oh my god, my foot is soaked. They're out open for the water and I'm like, oh my god, what? Oh no, no.
Cleo, why did you do that? I'm gonna turn into a mermaid.
We're gonna get something to eat and then go on Expedition Everest. Oh my goodness! What in the hell is that? Lord have mercy. Can someone please tell me you guys can see that? Oh my god. That's terrifying. Oh my god. It's so scary.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Oh, I'm so scared. That is so scary. That's so scary. It's coming. That is so scary. It's so scary. That was terrifying. Dino Land. McDonald's Dino Bash. But we're going on this dinosaur ride that's gonna close. When is it gonna close, you know? The dinosaur ride?
They said probably January.
January of next year? Oh, of course, next year. That wasn't a smart question, but every theme park needs a dinosaur area, okay? Hello! 18.
In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We can get in, grab the Guangon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll. Let's go get that dino. Sarah, what are you tracking?
Now time for food. I'm hungry. Food time. I'm gonna get this bubbling pink lagoon. Oh yeah. Yummy. Okay, we got our food. I got my drink. Oh, is this mine? All of it? Is all of this mine? Oh, okay. Okay, so I get the pulled pork and macaroni. I've had this before and it's so good. I'm trying to get a good view of that. Yummy. I haven't had this in months. Oh, this is so good.
Hey, this one is tantalizing my tongue.
To Mount Everest. The wait is around 45 minutes.
What the dog doing?
Here. 20 minutes. Never mind, it wasn't 45 minutes, it was 20. Ride has a Yeti theme. It's like you can ride and then go back again. So maybe we should. We're pretty much at the end of the line already. It's not been 20 minutes at all.
Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety, remain seated with your hands. Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
No, we're on. Ashley, look at him. Look at me. Remember? Yeah, but like that. Feel like that weightless feeling? Yes, I remember. It was so good. And we're going again. One more time. One more time.
like, you know, theming and stuff, no. But just the ride mechanics itself.
You think so?
That drop feeling in your stomach.
Tower of Terror is pretty good.
Yeah, that's the only other ride I can think of that gives you that at Disney. Yeah.
I think personally, I thought the Tiana's was pretty good with the drop too.
Mommy is going on this time.
Yay! Alea and Ashley. Ashley, Alea. Ow, my head. I'm trying to get rid of that. We're at Hollywood Studios. Hollywood.